What's going on? Morning.
Bit 50-50 weather-wise today, in fact. A bit of mixture of sunshine and showers. Now, a very good morning to you. Horrendous day for some of you yesterday. Close to a month's worth of rain in parts of the Midlands and southern England. Today, though, you will be glad to hear that 50-50 means there will be a bit more sunshine around, as well as a few showers. Winds overall much lighter than they were yesterday as well, the exception being parts of northern Scotland. But it does feel a bit fresher out there this morning.
Good morning. Last night's heavy rain has cleared, but we are left with a legacy of cloud first thing. That, however, will clear away too, leading to some sunny spells, but we've still got some showers around today.
Matt, I got absolutely drenched yesterday, like most people, and there's a lot of rain in that picture.
Did you do? I was drowned rat, proper drowned rat territory.
Oh, yeah.
I walked home when I walked home from the station. Yeah.
You know, when you kind of sat in, you don't really know what to do first.
And, yeah,
It was
exactly.
bad.
It was bad.
I'll stick my hand up and say I was as well. I think everybody was at some point through the day yesterday. This was just a typical scene in Oxford, rain bouncing off the canal here. We saw close to a month's worth of rainfall around Oxford in just the space of the afternoon and evening. It really has felt across some parts of the UK the first feel of autumn. But let me just take you away from autumn and send you forward to Christmas and maybe winter. First signs of winter appeared yesterday in Sweden, northern Sweden, in fact, and it really did arrive. Around 40 centimetres of snow fell to take them into the morning, which, believe it or not, came as a bit of a shock and caused a fair bit of disruption across parts of northern Sweden. So you see, it's not just us here in the UK who can't quite struggle with a bit of snow, but all that could melt very rapidly during the next 24 hours. And that's because milder air is pushing northwards towards Sweden ahead of this area of cloud. And it's this area of cloud which brought all our rain through yesterday.
And you were showing us earlier, weren't you, Matt, in some parts of the world, really crazy weather. The snow that we saw in Sweden, but still really hot in some parts. And we've got to remember that it's September still.
It is September and there's lots of extremes being played around, a lot of flooding around, including Spain through yesterday. But yes, Sweden had their first taste of winter with about 40 centimetres of snow. Something we can look forward to maybe, or not.
Don't be silly.
That.
Don't be silly. No one looks forward to
Not
that.
yet.
Thanks, Matt. See you later. Now, I think it's quite lovely that the weather watchers have sent pictures like this because I think many of us have memories of just being soaked yesterday and are hoping for none of that today.
Indeed, welcome sight this morning, I think you could say, Naga. Yes, some lovely weather watcher shots already in this morning, showing mainly sunny skies for many so far today, and especially where we saw some of the heaviest rain just to the west of London. We saw close to a month's worth of rain, but here, some blue skies already developing overhead. A few mist and fog patches forming, though, given the fact the ground is on the damp side, and we've seen temperatures drop overnight.
Lovely rainbow, Matt. Morning to you. Kind of like half and half. That's a proper split, isn't it, in the sky there?
It is. A view from Plymouth just a short while ago. And actually, Naga and Ben, it sums up our weather for the next few days. A lot more sunshine compared with yesterday, but there'll still be those rain clouds close by as the showers push through. A real feel and look of autumn, really.